Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Now I see the secret of making the best person. It is to grow in the open air and to eat and sleep with the earth. There is no week nor day nor hour when tyranny may not enter upon this country, if the people lose their roughness and spirit of defiance. Have you heard that it was good to gain the day? I also say it is good to fall. Battles are lost in the same spirit in which they are won. After you have exhausted what there is in business, politics, conviviality, and so on, have found that none of these finally satisfy or permanently wear, what remains? Nature remains. Stranger, if you passing meet me and desire to speak to me, why should you not speak to me? And why should I not speak to you? The shallow consider liberty a release from all law, from every constraint. The wise man sees in it, on the contrary, the potent law of laws. I cannot be awake, for nothing looks to me as it did before, or else I am awake for the first time, and all before has been a mean sleep. The great city is that which has the greatest man or woman. If it be a few ragged huts, it is still the greatest city in the whole world. Oh, while I live, to be the ruler of life, not a slave, to meet life as a powerful conqueror, and nothing exterior to me will ever take command of me. Have you learned the lessons only of those who admired you, and were tender with you, and stood aside for you? Have you not learned great lessons from those who braced themselves against you, and disputed passage with you? I say to mankind, be not curious about God. For I, who am curious about each, am not curious about God. I hear and behold God in every object, yet understand God not in the least. I heard what was said of the universe, heard it and heard it of several thousand years. It is middling well as far as it goes, but is that all? The art of art, the glory of expression and the sunshine of the light of letters, is simplicity. In the confusion we stay with each other, happy to be together, speaking without uttering a single word.